We have great updates for Layeredge claiming airdrop, as well a Solana airdrop to go and claim, and the Hyperlane Season 2 airdrop. So with that said, we jump straight into that up to the first thing first. Here we see it. Again, Airdrop Checker is now live exclusively for wallet users. Airdrop Checker goes live, and I will give you this link down below. This is for every other users tomorrow, but if you can already go and claim your first airdrop. But very important, guys, come and trade with me over on ZoomX. You know, I partnered with them. We got a $30 sign up free bonus, $100 for all of you that sign up and deposit. Make sure to go and participate. Make sure to sign up through the link down below and sign up to the $2.4 million prize giveaway and also F1 tickets for all of you. I have the possibility to give you this because I have partnered with them. So this is an exclusive competition and not many people are in it. It is very limited. We got only 4,300 people, so you are destined to win. Come and join. And here, once you go and participate, go to the WTC 2025 over here. Scroll all the way down, go to the squad competition right here. Scroll all the way down and search for pizza. This is my group. Come and join my group right here. Thumbs up, join my group, and we will go and win together. And you will have the bonuses to go and participate in this new trading competition. One important thing about ZoomX is also that it is no KYC, so you can register from anywhere you want. You can get this $30 bonus, this $100 bonus as soon as you make your first deposit from anywhere you want. So make sure to join now, no KYC, and this is why I like it. Also, talking about the Edgar layer drop over here, we got the OKX Wallet. Can't wait for the again airdrop. So OKX Wallet users receive the first part of the airdrop, which is, you know, nice. Yes, I guess probably everybody should have received it, but it is what it is. So tomorrow we have the checker. As we see over here, Airdrop Checker goes live tomorrow for all the Layeredge users. Now, this is a free-to-earn airdrop. I have a conviction to go and short it once it comes live because too many people are gonna have it for free money and people are gonna take profit. So I will short this one right here tomorrow. Come and join me on ZoomX and we will short it together as soon as it goes live. Next up, we have the Tokenomics has also officially been released. There's gonna be a total supply of $1 billion. The airdrop goes live tomorrow on May 31st, and the token generation event comes in 3 days on June the 2nd. Airdrop 1 allocation is 10% of the total supply, so 100 million token of it. 6% goes to the first wave testnet contributors, 2% goes to the OG pledge pass holders, which we should have it, and 2% is reserved for community expansion. No vesting, all airdrops token will be fully unlocked at TG on June 2nd. Hence wise, I do believe that a short on this position will do very good because people will want to take profit. People will want to cash out profit. Therefore, I do believe, but of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I will do. This is what I would do, and I will do it, and you will see the profit or the loss. I will make sure to post both of them. Next up, we have the Skate announcement. Now, as we see over here, Skate announced that on June 9, the token generation event will happen. So if you are an Eclipse, if you are a Skate users, if you have ever participated in it, make sure to go and check it out. There were the Ollies. The Ollies were basically the whole niche behind it, the point system. And as we see here on the 9th of June, it will arrive, whether it is the checker, whether it is the airdrop, whether it is token allocation, whether it is TGE, or everything comes in 1 hour after the other on the 9th of June, but it is going to be juicy. So wake up, because on June, it is going to be a juicy month over on June. We got the trading competition over here on ZoomX. Make sure to go and sign up to the Pizza Makers team. This is mine, just simply type pizza makers. We got this competition, and for you to go and get money, to go and win money, we got the Skate airdrop, we got the Layeredge airdrop, we got then to go and claim. Now we have the Camino airdrop for all of you. So as we see here, the season 3 claims are live. I received 354.87 Camino, which is dust, but make sure to go and check it nonetheless. It could be better than my allocation, that's for sure. So make sure to go and check it. I simply claimed it and staked them. Let's see what season 4 has to bring. I have taken everything out of Camino because it was a letdown, to say the least. But this is just I have nothing else. But $85 in volume, which are in liquidity. Let me go and see where they are. So I got a leverage position over here on Solana USDC size of $40. So I'm on a profit and loss of $318. I did enter this long when Solana was at $229. So this is where I want to go back to and get my money back when Solana hits this price. Liquidation is $92. So for now, this one, yes, I will keep it there because I don't want to sell it at a loss. I was doing this for the airdrop, but it makes nothing. So yeah, I will take my money out, as well as providing liquidity with WEN Solana. Over here, this WEN token was a meme coin that we received for some reason on the Solana ecosystem. I will probably take them out if there's something better to do. Potentially I will go directly. It is farming me a bit of Meteor, so that's why I leave them there. Next up, we have the Hyperlane post airdrop season 2. You may qualify for the quarterly expansion rewards. The first snapshot is now set for June the 30th. You need to spend at least $3 in Hyperlane fees to qualify. The claims will be mid-July to allow for calculation. What does this mean? This means that if you simply use Hyperlane, keep on using Hyperlane for any bridges that you gotta do, you will have another airdrop coming June 30th. I have a new pool over on Invariant, and this one is interesting. It's the TUSD USDC pool, as we're able to go and see here. So this is the stablecoin of the Eclipse ecosystem, and as you see here, this pool will not make you rich, so do forget about it. I will cover the fees, I will cover how everything, the volume, the TVL, and all of the things that you need to know. So to go and participate, simply click over to deposit right here, and as you see, you can do it both with TUSD and USDC. Now, if you want to get TUSDC, as we see here, simply go to Invariant and swap any coins for that. But in case you only have USDC, so stable coins, it's absolutely okay. Let's go and swap into TUSD, so we do have the stable coins, and we're gonna go and showcase you how to enter the position. Go to the liquidity tab over here. On the right, you will find TUSD, USDC. Click on deposit, and here, as we see, we can do a one-sided with auto swap. So this will cover the swapping once again automatically to place the order correctly. Click on max and play with this one. Now, of course, this token is a one-to-one with the USDC, so I would suggest to go higher because the oscillation is quite rare. So have a long-lasting position. Put it like this. As you see, you can only need one of the two tokens. Do the auto swap, and this will allow you to create a position using any token ratio. Simply choose the amount you currently hold in your wallet and will be automatically swapped in the most optimal way. In terms of point, this position, as we see over here, if you go to the liquidity tab right here and we check it out, we have the position right here. Now this one, it has this little sign, which means that the pool distributes points. So you will receive invariant points. So we go and simply put it all to work. We put the maximum, and here we get 3,200 points every 24 hours. This is with, I would say, 3,000 points for 100. Let's go and put 100 flat, 2,000 points. So if you go and put 1,000 USDC or TUSD, you get 20,000 points. If you put $10,000, you put about 280,000 points per day. So depending on how much you have, where the stable coin is, how you want to utilize it, you get the points per day. So I will go and put max, and as we see here, add the position, and it does everything automatically. Simply confirm it in your wallet. Here it has swapped. As you see, I've earned the points. I deposited and it's already swapped, so that it is correct. I go to the liquidity tab over here on my portfolio. I scroll down and I see it right here. It is earning the points, 3,200 out of 1,000,000.7 total point distribution. I get a fee tier. The position is active and currently earning fees as long as the current price is within the price range. This is if people swap from USDC to USD or TUSD to USDC, you do get a portion of the fees, then you generate the fees. So simply open it, keep it open, and support the ecosystem. You will find it on the liquidity tab. Go to the right and you will find it right here. So super simple. This one is, as you see here, I am getting the points. I'm doing points daily. I have a daily open position. This one is good to provide liquidity to the Eclipse ecosystem, which at launch really needs it. So definitely go and do it. Keep it open, enjoy it, and see you later. Hope it helped. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.